I'll show you how I was able to free up a level sensor for an A8 Audi. I'll explain how you can get these sensors a lot cheaper than going directly to Audi and how I was able to recover the sensor. I'll explain where the sensor is. The sensor is located behind the caliper. The green arm is so stiff I can barely move it. If you get a new sensor, it'll move this easy. It would have been really nice if I could have just dropped some oil on this, moved it around, but I had to do quite a bit more than that. I took a drill bit and I drilled a hole in the side. I brought the hole all the way down so I could see the side of the shaft. I took some hand cleaner and I put it in there. It has a little bit of grit in it, and then just spun it around. Then I rinsed out all the gritty soap, packed the hole with silicone grease. I glued a bolt to the top so I can spin it on a drill. Then I used the drill to go around because there's a lot of spins you have to go. Now the sensor spins as smooth as a new one. I've got a new sensor coming in a couple days, but I'll be able to put this back on the car and go until we get a new sensor. If I cap that hole, this sensor would probably last for quite a long time. If you go to Audi and buy this sensor, it's about $350. If you go directly to the manufacturer, it'll probably be about $65, and you'll get the OE part. I'll peel off the glue. Gluing this bolt on saved a lot of time. Sometimes to get a car back on the road, you just got to do what you got to do.